Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a North African dish of eggs poached in a sauce of tomatoes and spices, which is originated in Ottoman North Africa in the mid-16th century. It is a very popular dish throughout the Middle East and North Africa. Shakshuka means a mixture or shaken in Tunisian dialect. It is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even dinner. Let's make it bismillah. 1/4 cup of chopped onions. Onions are optional. Few cloves of minced or chopped garlic. Chopped jalapeno peppers or bell peppers, according to your preference. In well-seasoned cast iron pan or in any frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped onions, garlic and peppers. Pinch of cumin seeds. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent. About 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. You can use less or more tomatoes according to your preference. Two tablespoons tomato sauce, optional. 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder. 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon Tunisian harissa pepper paste, optional. You can always adjust the spices according to your wish. Sauté and cover the pan. Cook for a few minutes until tomatoes soften. Make 2 small wells in the sauce and crack the eggs into each well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Until eggs white settles, and yolks are still runny, or cook according to your liking. Garnished with chopped cilantro or parsley. Season with salt and black pepper. You can sprinkle feta cheese on it, which is optional. Serve immediately with toasted bread of your choice and lemon slices. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, kindly press the like button, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.